California's wildfires, a stark reminder of nature's power. But amidst the devastation, a silent army fights back. Firefighters, risking their lives to protect communities and ecosystems. The flames are relentless. We're battling a force of nature. This year, the fires have been particularly devastating. Homes lost, lives disrupted. But in this tragedy, we see the true meaning of heroism. Volunteers, first responders, and everyday people coming together to support one another. Every drop of water, every hour of tireless effort, is a testament to their courage. They are the unsung heroes of this inferno. Let's show our appreciation for these brave men and women. Share their story, and let's remember the resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity.